Massive fire gutted a section of Facey commodity on Marcus Garvey Drive. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Fire of unknown origin gutted a section of Facey commodity Newport West in the vicinity of Marcus Garvey Drive on Saturday. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m. smoke was seen coming from a section of the facility and an alarm was raised. Firefighters were called to the location, and after 3 hours they were still trying to bring the blaze under control. The extent of the damage caused by the fire is still yet not known, but sources told Link 007 TV News Report that the fire units from every section of the corporate area responded and were trying to control the blaze. In the meantime, the CEO of Separate said that it's too early to estimate the loss, but noted that it was very clear that the fire was a major setback for the company. Meanwhile, amidst the rush to the fiery location, employees scurried to remove company vehicles to safety, and the Jamaica Public Service Company workmen disconnected the power supply to the location. However, it took some time before firefighters began spraying foam on the blaze.
It's a commodity on the fire of Marcus Garvey Drive. So this is Facey commodity on Marcus Garvey Drive on the fire. Facey commodity on Marcus Garvey Drive. Fire on the fire right now.
Soon after, the firefighters seamlessly changed their approach and began monitoring the perimeter of the building and other areas in order to prevent the blaze from spreading. This has been Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.